friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Reading Connection. In this video, I am going to share with you how to learn fluent English in 1 month. Believe me guys, after watching this video, whatever I will tell you, if you follow these rules, you can really speak English after 1 month. And your friends, your family members will be surprised after 1 month. Yes friends, but you have to follow these rules. Guys, have you ever tried to understand how did you learn your mother tongue? Have you ever thought how did you learn your mother tongue? Have you do any kind of course for learning your mother tongue? No, you learned it yourself. Yes friends. Have you purchased any kind of course for learning your mother tongue? No, you didn't have purchased for any kind of course. You didn't purchase any kind of course for learning your mother tongue. So, how can you learn? How did you learn? How did you learn your mother tongue? You listened and you spoke. Yes, friends. How did you learn? You listened and you spoke. But when I try to learn spoken English, I mistake one thing. That is, we try to listen, but we don't try to speak. Yes, friends. This is the biggest reason. So, listening is also a most important part for learning English, for learning any language. So, first rule is every day you have to listen 20 to 30 minutes. Every day you have to listen. When I said to you 20 to 30 minutes, it means you have to listen 20 to 30 minutes without any break. You have to listen carefully. Guys, I studied in Hindi medium and I don't have any environment. When I used to study in our school and college, so that time I didn't have any environment. So this is the reason we didn't learn spoken English. But now I am telling you with my own experience. Yes friends, every day you have to listen 20 to 30 minutes. And you don't have to simply listen. You have to try to understand. What did he say? And you don't understand, just go back and try to understand what did he say? What did she say? Yes friends, believe me guys, after 1 month, you will be better you will be better in English than before. Yes friends. And your friends, after 1 month, your friends and your family members, your neighbors will be surprised. But you have to follow this rule. Every day you have to listen. You can listen your favorite movies. You can watch your favorite movies. Suppose you are playing some English movies and you don't understand the meaning. So just go back and try to understand. 20 to 30 minutes every day you have to listen. Now we come reading. You need to read every day. Every day you have to read 20 to 30 minutes. Guys, reading is also a most important part for learning English. Reading is also the most important part for learning English. Yes friends, So you need to read every day 20 to 30 minutes. You can read anything. Suppose newspaper, English newspaper and English stories, English kids stories. In the starting, you can read English kids stories because in the English kids stories, there is basic word. Use it. There is basic word used in kids story. So in the starting, you can read kids story and you have to try to understand the meaning. Yes friends, this technique will really help to improve your spoken English and you can say this rule. First one is every day you have to listen 20 to 30 minutes and every day you have to read 20 to 30 minutes. And you don't have to read simply. You have to try to understand the meaning. You have to try to understand the meaning of story. And now we come speaking. Every day you have to speak. Every day you have to speak in front of mirror and in front of your mobile camera. Yes friends. Every day you have to speak 1 month. 1 month you have to try to speak and after 1 month you feel your English will be better than before and you feel confidence. After 1 month you feel confidence and you will think, yes, I can do it. I can do it easily. This is not difficult. This is very easy for me. You feel confidence. You feel motivated. And you don't need to watch any motivational videos. You also motivated. After 1 month, you feel really motivated and you feel, yes, I can do it. I can do it easily. And you tell others. You will tell others. You will tell your friends, your family members. Yes, you can also do it. Like just I am telling you. So you will also, after 1 month, you will also to others. You will also tell to others. Yes, you will also learn it. This is not difficult. But in the starting, you will have to hard work. Yes, friends. Every day you have to listen 20 to 30 minutes. Every day you have to read 20 to 30 minutes. And every day you have to speak 5 to 10 minutes. In the starting, 4 to 5 minutes. And gradually, you can develop your level. And after 1 month, you will able to speak 20 to 30 minutes. You will able to speak 5 to 10 minutes. Yes friends. You don't need any partner. You don't need environment. You can create environment with yourself. With yourself. You don't need any partner. And think, if you will learn English, then you can teach others. Yes friends, you can teach your brother, you can teach your sister. If you are a housewife, so you can teach your own kids. You can teach your own brothers, your own daughters and your own son. So, you have to do hard work in the starting. Friends, there is no shortcut for learning English. In the starting, you will have to hard work. Yes, friends. This is I am telling you with my own experience. I felt there is no shortcut for learning spoken English. Who learn spoken English? Everyone in the starting do hard work. There is no shortcut. So That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video. You watch my video but you don't like it. But why? You don't have to pay any money for like this video. So please like this video, because if you like this video, if you like my video, so I feel motivated, and I have to make next video. I should make next video. So like this video, and you can share this video with your friends, and you can subscribe this channel if you new this channel. So that's all. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep learning.